And just make sure that you read the disclaimer. And now, coming on to the charts, let's see what is going on in the stock market first. So, European stock market right now is going down, and right now, European stock market CAC and DAX, they are more than 1.5%. If you have any question in between, you can ask me anytime. So right now, US 500, this is also going down. So what is really happening right now? Market is US 500, like last quarter was the best in, I think, for 10 years, last 10 years. So if you remember, 23rd of March, stocks were going down, and after that, uh, from 23rd of March, is just going up and up. So right now, US stock market is slightly selling off. It's still in next 25, 26 hours will be very, very critical. Right now, to start, ADP employment is there. Then in US session, FOMC will be there. And then ISM manufacturing also is there. So all in all, it will be very, very interesting next 32 hours. I think Friday market is not that much active, and uh, market is not that much active on Friday, and because 4th of July we have this Independence Day of US, and that's why market will be uh, closed. And from 3rd of July itself, market is just now trying. So 3rd of July, we don't have much on the data front, and tomorrow itself, FOMC is will be declared, and that's how it is for the market. Next 32 hours will be very, very critical, and to start the new quarter, we are seeing this US stock market is going down so fast. Australian Japanese, so what has happened again and again, it was going to 73.30, and on the month end, it was just going up. So that was just some uh, month end adjustment, and right now, Australian Japanese is again going to be below 74. So it seems like yesterday's move. And what is really, I think US bond should be going up, and right now it is going down. Its stocks are also going down. Then gold is also going down. So it is really many things are going. Um, Many themes right now is in the market, and right now we don't see what is really happening. We cannot buy gold, but we can sell US stock market and risk trends. Risk is right now pointing like it is market is going down for Dow Jones. It is going to be 1%. So it's still tech is very, very strong. Still, it is very, very strong. And US cases are increasing, and that's what is making US market nervous, US stock market, and in fact, global stock market. So it is making them nervous. And if the stocks are selling off, then to cover their uh, margin, gold is also selling off. So it is not that if a stock is going down and gold should go up. Right now it is trading at around 1800. So 1790 it reached, and after that it is just trying. and right now selling off. So let's just USD Japanese. It is still here. Today it reached around 108, 108.15 from the morning itself. So what is really happening right now? Either this stock market is going down, and then this Australian Japanese and risk is selling off, or the first thing Australian Japanese or and risk market like Euro Japanese and all is selling off first. So that is giving the indication the stock market will sell off. So either of the two is happening right now. Both are just giving first hand. First today morning, we saw Australian Japanese touched around 74.60, 74.70, and then it was selling off, but the stocks were very, very strong. And then after European session, and there was some outage problem in Germany, that stock market, and after that was solved, and then we saw this stock market sell off was heavily going on. So let's just be careful for next 24 32 hours. It can be very messy, and US stock market also can tank by around 1,000 points. Again, it can happen. Today is the day. So let's see after in what is FOMC has to offer. So it is a very dicey situation. US is opening up, but this virus situation is still not in control. Virus situation is getting out of hand, and spooking the market, spooking the stock market as such. So let's see. US bonds should be going up, but for 2 days it is coming down. So maybe after some time it will take. Maybe market is waiting for FOMC and just something. It is not giving a clearer picture. So right now, it should be all in tandem. So as such, right now it is not. The stock market going down and US bond should be going up. So what is it like? It doesn't make sense actually. So let's see. Maybe before this US FOMC market is expecting something. Something is there. It doesn't make sense, but because just 2 3 hours back, US stock market was trading. This Dow Jones was trading at 25,800, and this is bond is going down. So that means maybe US market can again go up. So is market expecting another this $1 trillion boost from US? So that may be the case. So maybe. So in that case, this stock market going down, it can again go up. So it is until FOMC, nothing is sure right now. So maybe stock market will go down further, but still we have to see what Fed has to say in this regard. Australian Japanese, this still it is this is risk barometer. Australian Japanese is, and right now 72.94, and after breaking above this 72, and then it went till 77, and after that it is taking support around EMA 34. So although OSMA is on the downside, but it is taking support here, and this line EMA 89 also is going up. So that means uh, second half. So right now is just the beginning of second half, and what is the outlook for this? Will it go below 72? If stock market is again going down, then it can. Otherwise, it is looking like in second quarter, things will be okay. As such, in Europe, virus situation is better. There, it has been controlled, but in US, it is still not in hand. So gold is going down. So it is a very crazy market right now. Euro Japanese, and it shouldn't have broken below this level. So yesterday at this time we were seeing this. So I was mentioning like it can go up. In fact, it did go up, but after that, right now it doesn't make sense. And it is yesterday's move. And right now, if it has broken below this level, 120.58, and right now it is OSMA is also on the downside. So next target can be, it can be Euro Japanese can be sold, putting a stop loss here, and targeting around 100 pip. Right now momentum is firmly on the downside. So that is because of this virus situation right now in US. On daily, still it is saying it is bullish from 119. But if things go out of hand, then this can be broken 119.30 level right now, and then it doesn't look good right now. The way it is moving down, it doesn't look good right now. Still, for the day, this candle is still not in red. But ideally, the Euro Japanese should have today till where it went. It went till 121.40 around. So Euro Japanese, if you see weekly level is this. So last time in June first week, it broke about this 121.80, and it gave around 250 pip. And today again, it was trying right now. This level is 121.64, and it can be sold from if it is reaching again to that level. This is a weekly level, and after this level, next week it came down, Euro Japanese, and after that it was not going above 121. This EMA 89 line, so it was not going above that. So right now, if you want to sell right now on 4-hour chart, this is the level 120 70. So 121 is the level you can sell it. So let it maybe from here itself, and right now. But still, one thing you have to see, US bond market is not moving in tandem with the stock market right now. That means this move in Euro Japanese or stock market is not fully convincing right now. So market is waiting for FOMC minutes, and that's what is right now reflected in different indicators right now. US bond, if the stock market is going down, US bond market should be going up, but this is not happening. So market is clearly waiting for FOMC minutes and what is in a store, what is the expectation of the market. If that is meeting, then it can go down further and stock market can then go up. So again, this is a very crazy situation right now. It is not fully indicative like it is stock market sell off is whatever we were seeing for past 1 month. So again and again, the stock market is going down. But again, S&P is getting bought, and again it is coming to 3100. So that is what is happening in the market right now. GBP Japanese, so it is again trying to go around this level, EMA 34. So today it went till 134, so slightly above EMA 34, and from there it was sold. So this is not very, and from 131.55 to 100% move is still here, and it was not able to break above 134. So GBP Japanese is still it is consolidating, and yesterday it bounced. GBP USD bounced, and Euro GBP also was at very critical level. So yesterday it was at around above 91, 0.91, and this sell off in Euro GBP is giving boost to GBP, and GBP Japanese is was touching around 134, and right now where it is around support around. So right now GBP is just trying to bounce, and we shouldn't sell GBP Japanese if we have to. Japanese pair is still very shady right now. So market is clearly waiting for FOMC. Something is on the cards, and GBP is here. We cannot sell GBP Japanese. We can sell only Euro Japanese. So that is also if it is below 120.70. So if you are selling it, make sure that you put the target stop loss around 120.85, 120.85, and then you can see if it is going to 119.20 level. GBP Japanese is again at support. Let me just see this Euro GBP. This is very. So right now, this is in March. It was trading to 0.94, and if you remember that time GBP was going at around 1.14, and yesterday this GBP Euro GBP was going to 0.9173, and from there right now support is around 0.8972 for past how many days? From 17th of May, it hasn't closed below EMA 34, and still this is giving Euro GBP is giving a very clear signal right now. And if you see past 1.5 months, 87, 76, it was in May, and every time it is coming and touching EMA 34. So clearly, if it is coming to EMA 34, it is coming to 89.72. So you have to buy Euro GBP right now. This Euro GBP is giving very good trend right now, and almost always above EMA 34 for past 1.5 months. So let's just see. Any questions if you have, you can ask me. Australian USD is, so right now it is trying again here 67.87. So again, this is not right now. Bond is not showing that it is in risk. This Australian USD. So just see the bond prices, and bond prices are coming down, but still we can't see. And as such, along with Euro GBP, Australian USD is also very clearly defined, like it is bullish about 0.6787, and this line also slowly going up. So for today on 4-hour chart, right now it is testing the support, and if this level is broken, 0.6873, then it can go down further, but still support is there, and it is bullish about this. So as from bonds, we can see how it is moving. So right now everything is in mess, and right now market is again, you can see US stock market again, just how it is just going down and going up. So still nothing is sure. So just 1.5 hours more, and then we can see how US market is going down or going up. So Australian USD is still on daily. It is showing this move has started from 67.74, and still it is bullish above this 68, around 23.4%. That level will be around 68. Okay. Now, and USD CAD is sell. Like now, it tried to touch this level 1.37, and it seemed like it will break above that level, but it didn't, and then it gave around 155, and again from today it was trading up at around 1.3545, and right now just a slight boost into that uh, from the sell-off in uh, global equities, and right now this is also not very sure, although it is a red candle in USD CAD, but still it is bearish below 1.37. That's what we can assume right now. We can not assume, we can see from the charts. So EMA 89 here, it is bearish below 1.3672. Still, it is not a signal to sell Australian USD or buy USD CAD. So right now many things are happening. Still, it is not a clear-cut signal like it is fully risk of market. So because bonds show a lot of picture. So for today, the stock market is going down, but bonds are not showing. It is not going in tandem with the stock market. Okay, and USD CAD and Australian. Okay, 1 minute. Here we are, and right now 136 Let's see USD CHF, and right now, and USD CHF 0 to 100% move is uh, till 0.9507. This is also not moving much, and just here, and just 100 pip for past 10 15 trading days, and you can see OSMA right now. It is not giving anything right now. On 4-hour chart also, how these moves are, nothing is there. So EMA 89 is still above EMA 34. So that means it is still bearish, and still in Euro USD is still bullish. 1.1170 is still if it is not broken, and it is still bullish above 1.1170, and Euro CHF. So this shouldn't have broken below this level, but it is breaking below this level, and that's why USD CHF daily, it is not showing anything. So it is for 1 2 months, last 1 2 months, this Euro CHF and USD CHF, Euro CHF went till 1.09, and after that it is selling off, and USD CHF is we are not sure how it will move. So right now, the just 2 minutes more, and one thing is very clear right now. Looking at bonds, U.S. bonds, the sell-off is not supporting this stock market sell-off. So still, U.S. Bond, if it is going down, so it should be like risk should be going up, but risk is selling off, and in some time bond is the first indication right now for the day, even if global stock market is down, but bond yield is going, if bond prices are going down, so bond yield is going up, so that doesn't make sense. So keep a watch on US bonds, and it is still waiting for FOMC. It shows that, and let's see, just 2 minutes more. If you have any questions, please let me know. So this is also right now again US stock market can again go up. What if virus cases are going up, and government can again pour $1 trillion or $2 trillion. It is just digital money, or they can print it, and then market will take, okay, it is easy money, we should buy stocks. So that's what is happening right now. USA Tech, you can see, is still it is comfortably above 10,000, and if the same thing, just some indication of US coronavirus cases coming down, and it can touch around 11,000. So that is on the cards. So that's all for the day. If you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, guys, then see you tomorrow with daily outlook, and take care. Bye bye.